YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday and we woke up with so much snow where I live in Ontario, Canada. The kids wore their snow pants and were totally bundled up to go to school today, which was super fun to see them all bundled up. They were adorable. I dropped them off at school and now I have a super busy day trying to get inventory ready for the show and trying to create content for you guys as well. So today I need to try to make over 40 signs, finish up a whole pile of ornaments I'm working on, complete a bunch of items that I started last night that you're going to see in this video, and hopefully get to a few plant hangers. So wish me luck. We have approximately 2 weeks only until our show. So the reality of my life right now is just go, 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 because we're making content for you guys, which I love doing. It's my favorite thing about my business right now. And then also making inventory for the show. So I'm working on so many things behind the camera that you guys haven't even got to see yet, because I want to be able to show you all the stuff that I'm taking to the show when we do the reveal of the event. This is video number 9. We are on a roll. If you missed any of this week's videos, make sure to check them out on our channel. If you're subscribed to our channel, there's a little bell beside the subscribe button that will notify you when we put up new videos. My spring show that I participated in back in April taught me a few things that I needed to focus on for this big show. I'm looking at creating items that are under the $20 mark, that are quick grab, easy gifts, that are really generic for anybody's family, that will fit anybody's decor and anyone that has any friends or family. So today I'm working on some photo board displays. I'm gonna make myself a warm tea and head over to the shop to start creating. The boards that I'm going to use to create the first photo boards is a 1 by 5 by 8 foot board. They're about 3/4 of an inch thick. Actually, when you cut them, I'm going to cut 3 of them to 18 inches. I realized once I measured 18 inches that that's actually going to be really short if people hang 4 by 6 pictures. So I'm going to actually make them to the length of 24 inches instead. That will give a little more room for hanging. And I'm going to create 3 different designs in this video. So I'm going to cut 3 to the same size. Cutting these to 24 inches was actually a way better idea. It meant that I got 4 of these out of one of my boards. These boards cost me $4 to $5 for each board. So I'm able to create these photo boards for about $1 to $2 plus my paint and vinyl. I'm going to sand the edges and make sure that it's super smooth before painting. I'm painting the backgrounds of these photo boards white. Because I'm going to need several coats, I'm going to use a roller to make this process faster. The tip to using a roller is when you push down firmly, you're going to get these like lines. Looks like a little bit of raised paint. So you want to make sure that those are totally flat, because it doesn't matter how many coats you do, you won't be able to get those flattened out without sanding if you leave them raised. To create the long photo boards, I'm going to router the edge of one of the designs. I'm using my DeWalt router. I've clamped my board down to my table. I'm just going to do one for this video, but I probably will make several more of these for my show. I'm going to paint some and stain some. Using my silhouette, I created a stencil that I'm going to transfer onto my stain board. Edging around the outside because I cut my stencil really close together to my other design so that I could conserve on how much vinyl I was using. Now the fun part where we get to sponge over our lettering. Now that my photo board is done, I'm going to attach 2 of these eye hooks to the back so that I can hang a jute for able to hold hangers. I'm going to tie a knot on each end using jute so that I can hang the photos using small clips. To brand all of the items that I take that I know I'm going to take to shows, I put my branding on them using a reprintable stamp. That way if someone receives this as a gift, they'll know where it came from to order in the future. I think this turned out really cute and it will fit many pictures. You can use different size clothes pegs that are really easy to find at any type of store. Using a 1x2, I'm going to frame the photo board. If you want to learn how to frame your own wood signs, you can follow my How to Frame Wood Signs video located on my channel. I'll put the card above. You want to make sure that you don't have any overhang on either side. That way your framing looks nice and tidy. As you can see, these photo boards are super simple to make and very inexpensive. If you want to create these and you don't have power tools at home, there are many hardware stores who will cut your wood for you to size. Just know before you go in what size of wood you would like them to cut. I love how versatile this project can be. You can literally put any phrase you want. This one's perfect to hang pictures of your friends, pictures of your grandchildren, family photos, and more. The second photo hang design was really simple and easy to make. I basically created a sign, which you can follow on my card above, and then added a clip so that I can attach a photo in a 4x6 size. I'm creating these in many different styles at the bottom saying our nest, our family, this is us, happiness is homemade. I have a selection of different ones that people will be able to choose from. I have lots more items to get finished made up tonight. I'll be working probably pretty late tonight. Tomorrow we will update you on our video on some of the production that I got accomplished today that you guys didn't get to see behind the scenes. I'm 2 weeks away from my big show. We will have 1 full day where we're just setting up at the show, and then we'll be there for 4 full days. I got a lot of event information today. We'll be sharing that at the end of this video so you can see times, dates, and location that the show is going to take place. I found out today that there are more than 200 vendors that will have wares at the show. These photo boards are a great example of our hashtag Made with Love challenge we have going on our channel. We're encouraging and inspiring everyone we possibly can to create as many handmade and eco-friendly gifts this holiday season. Please tag me on your socials at Elysia English, hashtag Made with Love. I love seeing all the projects you guys are working on. We will be showcasing some of your hashtag Made with Love creations on a future video coming up. Thank you so much to all of our subscribers. If you're not already part of our YouTube family, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments section if you prefer the framed or the long version of this style. Thank you so much for everyone who's been commenting that they're sharing my videos with friends and family. It means so much to me. We reached 66,000 subscribers this morning, and we are only 34,000 away from our goal. Amazing. I cannot wait until we hit 100,000. Our feedback from our ornament video has been absolutely phenomenal, and we have another ornament video coming for you this week. Thank you so much for everyone's support. I love you guys, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.